U.S. Attorney General William Barr this week announced the federal government would resume executions of convicts sentenced to death, starting with 5 men. Death penalty advocates say these death row inmates slated for execution were convicted of heinous crimes, including the rape and murder of children, and they say the victims' families deserve justice.
These are the worst of the worst, and the fact that they're subjected to the ultimate punishment after decades of appeals where they have been found guilty over and over again is an expression of the people's will.
The decision reverses a 16-year informal federal moratorium of the death penalty. The punishment was halted in federal cases over concerns about the risk of executing innocent people, whether it constitutes cruel and inhumane treatment, and because it disproportionately affects the poor and ethnic minorities.
There's a saying that the death penalty is called capital punishment because if you don't have the capital, you get the punishment. And that's borne out by who's on death row. Almost everybody who's on death row is poor.
Today, a little over 50% of Americans support the death penalty, down from 80% in the 1990s. Support for capital punishment is also divided along political party lines, with Republicans in favor and Democrats opposing. A number of Democratic presidential candidates want to abolish the death penalty. The Trump administration ruling only affects 62 federal inmates currently on death row. At the state level, there are over 2,500 prisoners awaiting execution, but in 21 states, the death penalty has been abolished. Brian Padden, VOA News, Washington.